A healthy smile with healthy gums is equally as important as a beautiful smile. Our smile plays a big part in our confidence and our overall health.
Dr. Vladimir Gashinsky and his highly trained team at Holistic Dental Center in Millburn, New Jersey have been providing a more natural or holistic approach to dental care for over a decade. They focus on the whole person, using customized, evidence-based natural treatments for each individual's body chemistry to improve the health of the mouth, teeth, and overall health.
Some of the potential dangerous dental materials might affect the person's health. It's mercury, nickel. Some people even allergic to titanium.
Let's learn how our bodies can have a reaction to these potentially toxic materials.
Some have a problem with allergies. It might be small allergic reaction, almost nothing. It's a little bit irritation around the metal crown. But somebody has a big reaction. They might have a burning, constant sensation in their mouth, and this is a big problem. We're trying to protect our patient by using internationally recognized protocol when removing the silver fillings that contain mercury. We're using homeopathy and using herbal solution to improve patient immune system. We're using medical grade ozone that kills a lot of bacteria, and the bacteria cause an infection and kills bacteria in a natural way. We're using biocompatibility testing because we want to know that patient doesn't have any allergic reaction to any material that we're going to use. And additionally, we're using non-narcotic way to relax patient in the chair. We're just trying to help patients just get a healthy mouth and have the happy and healthy life.
Like, he really truly cares about you. Like, he is just so warm, friendly, and he takes the time to explain things to you in a way that you will understand.
Dr. Vladimir Gashinsky and his compassionate staff at Holistic Dental Center, New Jersey's leader in holistic dentistry, caring for your health and your smile.